How to change background every 10 seconds in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change background every 10 seconds on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you could use the Slideshow feature on Windows 11. Now on your desktop, right click on an empty space. From here, go to Personalize. That's gonna take you to your settings. Click on the first option, that is background. Under background, there is a drop down for personalize your background. Click on this drop down here. Now you have to select the slideshow from the drop down. Click on browse and then select the folder that contains all of the images that you want to rotate in your Windows. If you don't have that folder, then you have to create a folder, add all of the images that you want to add as the desktop background. Then select that folder. After that, you can set this option, change picture every to 10 seconds. Click on this drop down here if you can find it here. If not, you can simply go with the 1 minute. Windows 11 does not provide 10 seconds in the default list. So you will see options like 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So you can go for the 1 minute once you are done with that. Now if you go back and check, now your background image on your desktop will be changed on every 1 minute or other time if you have select a different time from here. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.